Next up, another Power Commander accessory is the optional map switch. Again, just like Quick Shifter, where we can utilize either of these two first switch inputs, the first two sets of holes or the second two sets, this map switch, just a simple, normally open or normally closed switch, depending on how you want it to interface in software, or you could buy an off-the-shelf switch and jumper it either way you would like. These two wires inserted into these two on the terminal strip give you the ability to switch between maps on the fly. Map position 1 could be your light load cruise map, fuel economy map. And then when you get to the racetrack, you can toggle it over to map 2 after you've dumped in your 100 octane fuel for racing around the closed course circuit. Simply at the toggle of the map switch, and then you start your race. Along with map switching, there's also the optional launch control for vehicles that do have a fuel and ignition control Power Commander, where we can sit on that launch control button when you're on the starting line to then be wide open, be on that button. You're interrupting spark and fuel to keep you at a spec RPM, and then you launch under full power. So a switch like this, it wouldn't be a toggle switch, it'd be a momentary button that you're holding, can enable that launch control feature. And that's built into those fuel and ignition control Power Commanders, but again, it's a switch feature that would go in switch 1 or switch 2. Along with launch control light also comes speed limiting if you have a pit lane speed limiter, where you can activate that similar to a switch or a button or a toggle where you can tap into your speed and then have your speed restricted at 50 miles per hour if that was your pit lane speed limit. Map switch, super popular. It's just enable it or disable it, and then whichever input you are on. So if you're on the first set of terminals, you are on switch input 1. If you're on the second set, you're on switch input 2. Do notice that once I enable it, I get a duplicate set of maps over here on the left. So there's map position 1, map position 2. It automatically populates those when I select enabled.